Alright, we're going to put their ATC 33675.
Baron 5, Bravo Echo. I know Blue Streak's not really helping you out. Would you like Kilo 5 intersection departure?
Yeah, we can take Kilo 5.
Roger, expect that.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, now he's going to gas on it. Because he realized he was holding somebody up, I guess.
Greensboro Tower, Baron 515 Bravo Echo is ready to go 23 left from Kilo 5.
Baron 515 Bravo Echo, Greensboro Tower, turn left heading 170, runway 23 left shortened at Kilo 5, cleared for takeoff.
Okay, left to 170, clear for takeoff 23 left from Kilo 5. 515 Bravo Echo.
Alright, all clear. Here we go. Power's coming up. We'll get a little more on the right. Power set. Everything's in the green. I think that strut needs to be looked at.
November 5 Bravo Echo, contact departure. Good day.
Over departure 5 Bravo Echo, good day. Greensboro departure, Baron 515 Bravo Echo, 1700, climbing 3000, 170 on heading.
Baron 515 Bravo Echo, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb maintain 6000, stand by for on course.
Okay, 6000, 5 Bravo Echo.
Now we get the autopilot on. Props are set. Power is set.
November 5 Bravo Echo, clear direct Roush.
Okay, direct Roush, 5 Bravo Echo.
Oh, we got to reload there. Approach, load. Now we go direct Roush.
Blue Streak 5493, turn righting 310, it's Atlanta Center assigned.
Greensboro, Blue Streak 5497 with you at 10,000.
Blue Streak 5497, Greensboro approach, information Foxtrot, current expect visual approach, runway 23 left.
Okay, we'll expect a visual 23 left, Blue Streak 5497.
Wind comms. I don't know what runway they're using until we get to ATC.
November 5 Bravo Echo, contact Charlotte approach 128.32, good day.
Okay, 2832, 5 Bravo Echo, good day. Charlotte approach, Baron 515 Bravo Echo, 6000.
515 Bravo Echo, Charlotte approach, Charlotte altimeter 3013. Expect visual approach runway 2 at Concord.
3013, 5 Bravo Echo.
So visual approach 2. So let's put tower. Tower. Com 1 standby is where we want it. Boom. All right. All right, they said visual to 2. Let's put that in there. Select approach. Visual to 2. Boom. We're gonna load vectors. Boom. Minimums. We don't need any. Load. Okay. There it is. Message. VNAV unsupported leg. And the reason it's giving me that warning, it's saying VNAV unavailable, unsupported leg type in flight plan. So in other words, it's going right from NASCAR, which is the end of the arrival, and before I loaded the approach, it was going to the airport, but now that I loaded the approach, it loaded that little straight in runway 2, so it doesn't connect the two. So it's like, what are you going to do after NASCAR? It's up to you. You're on your own, buddy. But you're assuming vectors after that is what we would get, right? So, anyways. There's that. Now we got to get the runway in sight. This one's kind of, to me, I don't come out here very often. It's tough to spot. It blends in. Especially since it's a hazy and like little foggy, hazy.
Number 5 Bravo Echo, turn 15 degrees left, descend maintain 3000.
Okay, 15 left down to 3000, 5 Bravo Echo.
We're getting that. We're going to hit procedure, activate vectors to final. There it is. Get the field in sight. We'll let him know, and then he'll switch me to tower. Maybe.
Number 5 Bravo Echo, Concord Airport, 1 o'clock and 10 miles.
Yeah, field's in sight, 5 Bravo Echo.
Clear visual approach, runway 2, Concord Airport, the last winds there were calm.
Okay, cleared visual 2, 5 Bravo Echo.
Number 5 Bravo Echo, radar service terminated, contact Concord Tower 134.65, have a good day.
Okay, over to tower, 5 Bravo Echo, good day. Concord Tower, Baron 515 Bravo Echo. We're about 9 miles to the northeast, visual runway 2.
Concord Tower, Skyhawk 512 Sierra, Pop.
Baron 515 Bravo Echo, Concord runway 2. If you'll continue on the downwind, I'll call your base leg.
That's a 512 Sierra Papa. We'll continue the downwind and you'll call the base 512 Sierra Papa.
No, that was not for 512 Sierra Papa. That's 515 Bravo Echo. Continue the downwind and I'll call your base.
Okay, 5 Bravo Echo, we'll continue our downwind, you'll call my base.
2 Sierra Papa, you blocked out one that was calling and you got the wrong call sign then. I need you to listen up a little bit better. You're clear touch and go, runway 2.
Touch and go, runway 2, 2 Sierra Papa.
Baron 5 Bravo Echo, there is a Cessna turning about a 1 mile final now. They're a touch and go only. You can turn inbound your discretion. Clear to land, runway 2.
Okay, clear to land, runway 2, 5 Bravo Echo, thank you.
Good morning, Mooney 6894, Victor Concord. Mooney 94, Victor, roger. Runway 2, taxi via Alpha. Winds are calm and the altimeter is 3016.
Gonna square it up, I guess. Lose a little altitude.
Cherokee 382 Delta, just extend your downwind. I'll call you base for traffic.
And a downwind, you'll call my base 327.
Very green, no red lights are on. Flaps are approach, standing by for full flaps. Speed checks, here comes full flaps, they're moving.
Echo Tower 20 Papa on the go, runway 2, you want us in left or right traffic?
20 Papa, you can remain in left traffic till advised. There's a Cherokee off your left that you're going to be following. Advise when you have them in sight.
Alright, left traffic, runway 2, we have the Cherokee in sight, 20 Papa.
20 Papa, follow that Cherokee, and they are going to be extending in just a moment. And you're number 2 behind the Cherokee. The Cherokee is a full stop, and you're clear for the touch and go on 2.
Alright, following the Cherokee, expecting extended downwind, and we're clear for the option, runway 2, 20 Papa.
No, you're not clear for the option. You were clear for the touch and go to 2.
Alright, touch and go 2, 20 Papa.
Alright, y'all damps away. On glide path. Start shelling it out a little bit.
Regional 1410 Hotel, runway 2, taxi via Alpha. Baron 5 Bravo Echo, you can turn left when able, we'll join Alpha and taxi to the ramp. Have a good day.
Okay, we'll make Echo here and taxi to ramp. 5 Bravo Echo, thank you.
Mooney 9-4 Victor, you ready or do you need a minute? About ready to go. Mooney 9-4 Victor, you can proceed on course to the northwest, remain clear of the Bravo, and clear for takeoff, runway 2.
Clear for takeoff, clear the Bravo, 904 Victor.
Cherokee 382 Delta, traffic's departing, turn base when you're ready, clear to land, runway 2.
Got that traffic in sight, turning base now, clear to land, runway 2, 30 Delta.
Alright, we made it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.